Face-to-face instruction at HISD starts on October 19th. Parents can choose from in-person or virtual learning between the selection period of September 21st through September 25th. Here's how to do it. First, obtain an access code from your campus. If you have not yet received one, reach out to your school and they will help you. Next, log into the HISD Connect parent portal at hisdconnect.houstonisd.org. Select the tab to create an account and fill in your parent information. Scroll down and complete the student information, adding the student's name and include the access code you received from the school. Repeat these steps for all students to be added to your account. Remember, every student has their own unique access code. Click Enter and you will be redirected to a new login screen where you will enter the username and password you created. Once inside the parent portal, look to the left-hand side of the screen and select the tab titled Forms. From there, you will scroll down and select the form titled Student Commitment. Here is where you will make your selection. If you need to adjust language preferences, you can choose between English and Spanish at the top right-hand corner of the form. Once your language selection has been confirmed, you can then choose between face-to-face instruction or virtual learning. Once your selection has been made, click the I consent button, electronically sign and date the form, and click the blue submit button at the bottom right-hand corner of the form. Once a selection is made, it is valid for the entire school year. However, there will be opportunities to change a selection throughout the year if needed. Remember, parents will have from September 21st to September 25th to make their selection. For more information, visit our website at houstonisd.org. Let's reconnect safely and return strong.